Now MCQ regarding the tables, in which the table will be given to you. So case study, this term exam, as you all know, case study is coming in this November term 1 exam by CBSE. So these questions will be in case study. So MySQL case study. Here you can see this is given to you and the task is given to you. So display details of all flights starting from Delhi. Table is given to you. Now all flights starting from Delhi. So select star from. Table name is cap flight. And starting from Delhi means start equals to Delhi. So here you check here. Select star from flight where start equals to Delhi. So I think the first from flight where start equals to Delhi. Now here it is given in capital letters. So the second one is correct. Here data is in, it is case sensitive. So data is, if you write in small letter, it will not match with your table data values. So here the second one is correct. You can see the green tick here. Now the next one, so these all are for your case study questions which will come in this MCQ term 1 exam. Write commands, display flight code, start place, destination, number of flights in descending order. So order by you have to use of number of flights. So here order by descending you have to use, this much is correct. Now what is the difference between the second and the last option? Semicolon is missing, so second is the correct option. Now one more method is there. You can simply see the option and which is wrong. If you put a cross, like here descending was asked, so directly I have seen this DESC, and then what I found that semicolon is missing in the last, so second is the correct option. So very fast you can solve your answers. Next one, output of the following. Now only FL code where start not like, so which does not contains I. This means which does not contains I, that FL code you have to display. So start is not having I, Delhi is having I, Mumbai is having I, Kanpur, only Kanpur. So only IC 105. So you can see this IC 105. So second one is the correct option. Clear? Now next one is select average number of stops count from this where number of stops greater than 2. So you will check here that now in this actually group by was to be used, or number of stop greater than 2, sorry, number of stops is greater than 2, only one case, this Chennai case, and you have to display only the average number of stops, so it will remain 3 only, and count only 1 is there, so only 1. So NO stop is having 3 value, average of 3 will be 3, count will count 1, so 3 comma 1 should be the answer. Let me see, C is the answer here. Yes, correct, C is the answer, 3 and 1. Next, which clause is used to check range of numbers in MySQL? Between clause is used for range of numbers. So here between you will tick. Next, what does the total number of rows in a table known as? It is cardinality, and total number of column is degree. So the fourth one is your correct, cardinality. The candidate key that you choose to identify each row uniquely is known as, now primary key is having each row unique, candidate key is also, but the candidate key that you choose to identify each row, so primary key. So in this case you are choosing the candidate key to select each row, so primary key will be the answer, first one. Which operator performs pattern matching? This is same, like is used for pattern matching. You can check here, like is used. Next, same thing, which wildcard is used to check any number of characters? So percent sign, third one, percent sign is the correct answer. Next, what is the cardinality and degree of Cartesian product of two tables where A contains 4 rows and 2 columns. B contains 2 rows and 4 columns. What happens is rows are multiplied and columns are added. So 4 to the 8, cardinality will be 8 and degree will be 4 plus 2, 6. So B will be your correct answer, B. Wherever Cartesian product is there, you will multiply the rows and you will add the columns. So B is the correct answer. Which clause is used to display non-redundant data of a table? Now distinct is used to display non-repetitive data. So C is the correct answer. Third one, distinct. Yes, green tick you can see. Why Python code snippet? Write Python code snippet to change a database in MySQL. Now this was of connectivity. So to change the database, we are using use database. So wherever you want to change the database, so the last one is use database. So last one is the correct answer. Clear? So this was all the MCQ of your MySQL. We have done. You just go through it 2 times, 3 times, because your term 1 exam is coming from MCQ as well as this type of questions will be asked. So practice it. Whichever you have doubt, you just mark it and you just ask me in the class. Now next topic will be your pandas. So pandas question we will discuss.